You know what? Sometimes you make me so dang mad.
I got Rosa Farts. I just got reports that you made North Carolina go in orbit.
Oh, look, here's yours.
I got the WWEs. I just got reports that Miami's in the sky.
This is so boring here. Let go of my phone.
So, in conclusion...
Oh my God, see out of my head on the post. I just got reports that you destroyed New York. I'm like, she wanted to suck the fuck.
How dare you?
Oh my God, Pie Walker, calm down. Well, let me call you back. Bro, I just got reports that Florida's in the sky. Alrighty, the wise man. Do you want to know? I went to a party last night. Oh my God, I just got reports that Alabama's in the sky. Don't do anything to that iPad because you probably might break it again. Oh my God, Spider-Man far from school. I just got reports that you made Louisiana go in the sky again. And did you break the iPad? Yo, random NPC? Of course I'm gonna shoot it. Oh my God, Luke Skywalker. I just got reports that you made the state of Oklahoma go in the sky. Oh, hold on 1 second. Oh, I forgot about the homework assignment.
So, what did you do during school today?
I gotta remember me, bro. I just got reports that you made Louisiana go in the air.